Welcome to PortableRestroomTrailers.com, and let us introduce you to our brand new 2019 Satellite Suite 88+2 Mariner Restroom trailer. This trailer is available for short or long-term rentals and also available to purchase for your private venue. This is the only unit in the industry that has a 4 hydraulic jack equalizer leveling system. This trailer has 3 private stalls, which includes 1 fully wheelchair accessible handicap suite, as well as a private men's and ladies' room. It is a fully self-contained unit with a 200-gallon onboard freshwater tank, as well as approximately a 300-gallon waste tank. This unit will safely serve any function up to and over 300 people for several hours. It has onboard air conditioning system, as well as heat units for wintertime use. This restroom trailer is also one of the very few that has a vacuum flush toilet system, which is very similar to the toilets that you see on cruise ships. Please go to PortableRestroomTrailers.com and enter our live chat to have personal, quick, up-to-date information from one of our experienced national salespeople to schedule this trailer for your next event.